I welcome you all to this session. In this session, we shall solve one more problem on internal reconstruction. Let me first go through the problem. Problem number 6. The paid up capital of upcoming limited amount of rupees 5 lakh consisting of 2000 5% cumulative preference shares of 100 each and 30,000 equity shares of 10 each. The preference dividend were in arrears for 30,000. The cessation of losses means due to heavy loss, continued loss having been incurred by the company, the directors recommended to the shareholders the proposal to reduce share capital to provide a sum sufficient for the following purposes. First one, to write down the value of patent by 7,000 means 7,000 is written, that is at the end out of capital reduction balance or reconstruction balance. Plant and machinery by 17,000 both, and tools by 2,000. To write off debit balance of profit and loss account rupees 1,98,000. Any balance available by the reduction of capital to be written off research and development expenses. Yes. The scheme was duly approved and authorized as follows. For every 5% preference shares, that is existing, 4% cumulative preference shares 100 each, and 20 equity shares of 2 each are to be issued. So debit those preference capital. Now cumulative preference and equity should be credited, and if the difference of any to be transferred to capital reduction account. Then for every rupees 10 accumulated arrears of dividend, 1 equity share, so there is 30 divided by 10, 300 equity shares of 2 each. So for 10, now divided by 10, 3 into, so 6,000. For every 10 equity shares, 1 new equity shares of 2 each to be issued. So that 5 that you did now, right? You are requested to pass journal entries and prepare a new share capital account. Close the old share capital account and prepare capital reduction account. First entry for the first conversion, a 5% cumulative preference share account, 2,000 into 100 to lakh. That is what the amount capital given is 2,005%. In place of that, to 4% cumulative preference shares, 3 shares for every 5 shares held, so 3 by 5 into 100, that's 1,20,000. Equity share capital account, 2,000 for 2 shares for every 5 shares held into 20 rupees. 60,000 difference capital reduction account, that's 64,000. From 2 lakh when you deduct 1,36,000. Then equity share capital 30,000 into 10, 3 lakh. To equity share capital new 30,000 into 1 share for every, 2 shares for every 5 shares held. 1 share for every 5 shares held at rupees 2, so 12,000. To 8 should be rupees 2, not 20. And 20 equity shares of rupees 2 each. For every 5 shares, 20 equity shares are 2 each. Then double. Okay, now 16,000. Yes, their difference 2,88,000 to be transferred capital reduction account. Then capital reduction account equal to equity share capital account. Issue of 1 equity shares of 2 each for every 10 shares held. So it is more. $30 divided by 10 is 3,000 and 1 into 2, so 6,000, right? For accumulated preference dividend. See, there 30,000 amount. Then capital reduction account 64 in first entry, second 2,88,000 and minus 6, 4,36, 3,46,000. Profit loss account 1,98,000. Patent 70,000, plant 70,000, tools 2,000. These are all given there. Difference, if any, to research and development expense, that is balance now, whatever you get, that is 59,000. You are asked to prepare ledger account, so 4% cumulative preference share, by cumulative 5%, now 2 brought down same. The equity shares 2 each, cumulative preference 16, the NI 6,000, from capital reduction total 22,000. 5% cumulative preference shares, that is new. Preference capital, sorry, old it is, other one new. 2 lakh, then 1 lakh 50 converted to new preference, that is 16,000 equity and capital reduction account. Then equity share capital 10 in the sense old. By balance brought in 30, 12,000 new and capital reduction balance. Now capital reduction account from all. By first entry 64, second entry 2,68,000, third entry 60,000, 6,000 debit, that liability for which shares allotted. Profit loss account from all from third entry, so it tallies. These are all about this problem. Thank you for hearing.